this one. Then I will make it at least 9. Then I will change to black. Look, this is the current date and time for our report. I will remove the border style to make it transparent. Okay, the next is we'll put the order number, design, existing, then this is the one. Printer, so that the same font and the same size also. I will make it. Then size widest. Sales order number. Okay. I will adjust also this one, and here I will adjust also. Size is widest. Okay. And we will also put here order date. This order date is whatever the sales order made or date of sales order, and this one, this is the current date, whatever, or every time we will print it will show like the current date. Again, just click this one, go to home, then format. Sorry, we should select this one, then format and click this one. Design, existing, customer. Left widest. Left widest. Okay, I will arrange this one to go to arrange, then align, equal, align bottom, okay. We'll make it pop up. So this is our sales order header. Then I will put some labels. Sales order report. Again, I will change to right, and I will put here size shortest, so that the same height align bottom. Okay, so this is our header, and we can drag our sales order line here. So this is our sales order line. We will adjust the header, sales order report. Sales order report. So this is our sales order, but there's no header for this one, so we need to adjust sales order line here. So we need to select this one, then right click, layout, remove, so that we can move to the top. Okay, this is our header. Then if we will open our sales order report, look, there is a header. We need to fix some border. This one, we need to remove this border. Here in our sub report, I will make it transparent. Look, sales order, then I will put here line, okay, then also at the bottom also I will put the line. Here, okay, and I will put some here, sales executive signature, I will just copy this one, and sales manager signature. Okay, now we will put buttons here to print or save as into PDF. Okay, we have already code here in our purchase order. I will copy first this button, paste here, align size, then shortest. Now I will go to at the back, then I will just Control A to copy and go to sales order report. At the back also Control A and paste. Okay, now I will close this report. Also, now I will go to sales order report, just press F2, then copy. I will open the sales order report, then go to PDF, event. Here I will replace to sales order report, and here also our file name sales order report. Okay, I will go to sales order form. Yes, sales order report. Okay, now I will open. This is our sales order. I will open. This is the one. We have date, current date, and this one is the order date. Now I can print, but I don't have printer, so it's showing also PDF. I can convert to PDF or export. Just click this one, automatically it will save to this one. So this is our sales order report. Look, now we will adjust here. We have some issue. Just close this one. The issue is here, sales order. We need to change to page landscape and E4. Okay, again I will open. I will delete this one. Now if I click or look, we have it shown our need, then the total amount, then click PDF. Now we have a sales order. This is it. Thank you and God bless.